Westermans here, just looking at a set of 10-ton head and tail stocks just being collected. More details can be seen on our website. As you can see, we have plenty of stock, mixture of welding machines, positioners, plasmas, fume extraction, column and booms, Miller Dynasties, single phase, new spot welders from PEI, Donaldson fume extraction unit, bending rolls, welding lathes or machine lathes, welding rotators, Fronius cladding systems, good selection of rotators from 1,000 kilos to 60,000 kilos. Kemper fume extraction units, have a look. Hypertherm XPR 300s, Lincoln diesel welders which is the Air Vantage, and some standard Vantage 500s. With or without wire feeds. Some more head and tail stock 10 tons. Synchronized drive system. Both powered on the headstock and tailstock. Also on a rail system with 3 meters of rails. More 5-ton welding rotators arrived, and you see a good selection of welding machines all around. 1 or 2 Fronius here at the minute, which are the TIGs, Miller Pro Heat 35s, Nelson that 6,000, it is the now Weld 6,000 for doing shear studs. ESABs, Taylor, nice ESAB, LAF and TAF 1251, both AC and DC power source with a A6 tractor. So plenty of machines. Like more details, please go on westermans.com and email for prices. Thank you for looking.